maths. Maths is a subject which will be easy for our kids only when they learn the techniques and understand the concepts. So as you all know that I love to teach kids using easy and simple way to learn concepts. And today I am going to show you how to teach before and after number using this simple concept. Now the steps to be followed before introducing the concepts. Before teaching this concept, please make sure that your child is able to identify the numbers, the number sequence and the number value. Now the second step is, please write those numbers on top of your child's notebook. I'll show you how to do that like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the first 5 numbers. You should write all these 5 numbers on top of your child's notebook. Now the third step is, introduce your child from top, arrow mark, showing the arrow mark. After 1, it's 2. After 2, it's 3. After 3, it's 4. And after 4, it's 5. This is the third step. Now the fourth step, that is oral practice. You can ask your child what comes after 1. Ask him to look at the arrow mark. Where is the arrow starts from? From 1 to 2. Yes. Then what comes after 2? Ask him to look again the arrow mark. It comes from 2 to 3. Like that you can give oral practice for your kids till he is thorough with the concept. Now the fifth and last step, that is you are giving examples like this. Number 1, what comes after number 1? Now ask your child to see number 1, the same number 1 is there, right? Now the arrow mark goes to number 2. So your child will say yes, number 2. Then ask him to write number 2. Okay? The same way you can give some other number like this, number 3, and what comes after number 3. See, you can do this. Use this arrow mark. Now ask your child to see the number 3. Yes. Ask him which number comes after number 3. See the arrow? He'll show you number 4, right? Now, it's very easy and simple way to teach your child. This makes them really confident to do that, and they love to do maths. Now I'm going to show you from number 1 to 10. The same steps you should follow. Write number 1 to 10 in your child's notebook on top of it and draw an arrow mark like this. After 2, 3, while drawing this, ask your child. He will tell this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now you are going to give the numbers. Okay, 5. Number 5. What comes after 5? Draw an arrow mark. Ask your child to look at the number 5. Yes. Now he will tell after 5 it is 6. Now number 9. Number 9, what comes after 9? Ask your child to look again. Number 9. The arrow goes that side to the next number, number 10. So this is the simple way to make your child understand the concept of after number. Okay, once your child is thorough with after number, then only you should try with the before number. I hope it is an easy way for you to teach your kids. In my next video, I am going to introduce the before number. So please